So this is the view of the Dabanggre Waterfall, and it's a very long waterfall here. So see how beautiful it is. So if I zoom out, you will be seeing. So look at this. Wow. So beside it there is a betel nut trees, and so this is the just water, and this is the tree. So you can have the look. The side of the waterfall is very beautiful. Wow. So look at the waterfall. So it's very beautiful to look at again. You can have a look. So this is the lower part of this waterfall, and it is quite a long waterfall here. You will see. So here, so very nice to be here. The weather is very nice as well. So here, this is the another part. So you can have a look. A very big stone here. So this is another part. Flowing peacefully. So after that, so this is the another part, the most beautiful one exists here. So water is very clean, very clean. So very beautiful. I really like it. So this is surrounded with natural sceneries as well. So here, this is the natural scenery. So guys, this is the most important part of the Dabanggre Waterfall, and it's a very beautiful one here. At it has 3 layers of waterfall, and this is the most beautiful one, which exists at the middle of the middle part of the waterfall. So it's very nice, and the weather is very nice here too, to enjoy here. The water is crystal clear. So the friends who have come with me, there there are many friends accompanied me, guys. So So guys, this is the upper part of the waterfall of the Dabanggre. So the lower part I have already shown you. So this is the uppermost part of the waterfall. It has 3 layers. The middle one is very beautiful one. and just at the top of this waterfall there is a banana plantation and betel nut plantation. So this is very beautiful here. The water is flowing from the stream to this big stone, and how it looks. So this is more or less beautiful stream here. Wow, very nice, beautiful all around. So this is the vegetation here around this waterfall.